Unlock English listening power with movies EduSpark. English hello friends, welcome back to EduSparkEnglish, your place for fun and effective English learning. Unlocking the power of English listening starts with one of the most enjoyable tools, movies. Begin by watching with subtitles in your native language to grasp the storyline and jot down new words. Next, switch to English subtitles. This step challenges you to connect spoken words with their written form, helping you learn vocabulary and context. Finally, turn off subtitles completely. Listen closely and try writing what you hear. Practice these steps regularly, and your listening skills will soar. Let's check. True or false? 1. You should always start watching movies with subtitles in English. 2. Switching to English subtitles helps you match spoken words with written text. 3. You should turn off subtitles only when you understand 100% of the audio. 4. Writing down new vocabulary is an important part of this method. 5. It's okay to go back and forth between subtitle stages as needed. Let's practice. Pick up a short movie and apply the 3 steps to practice your listening skills every day.